Upgrading new home construction with an energy recovery ventilator or heat recovery ventilator is one of the most effective ways to improve indoor air quality while preserving energy. Choose an ERV or HRV size to the home by calculating the continuous ventilation rate needed and matching the unit capacity to the total conditioned floor area and expected occupancy. A common method is to use the local mechanical code or a guideline of fresh air per person plus a fraction of air per square foot to get a target cubic feet per minute, and then select a unit rated for that flow at installed duct static. Pressure. Integrate the unit with the mechanical system so supply and exhaust connect to the return and outside ducts in a way that minimizes pressure imbalances. Center the core within conditioned space to prevent bringing cold or hot duct surfaces into living areas. Use a continuous low-rate ventilation schedule to keep a steady exchange rather than intermittent high blasts, because continuous flow reduces humidity swings and prevents pollutant buildup while being easier to balance and less likely to short-circuit. Add minimum efficiency reporting value rated filters of at least MERV 8 on the outdoor intake and MERV 6 on the supply side if the system manufacturer requires lower resistance, and check pressure drop charts to avoid overloading the fan. Inspect or replace filters on a regular cadence, such as every 3 months and more often in dusty climates. Balance intake and exhaust flows at final commissioning with a simple vane anemometer or by using the unit manufacturer checklists so that you achieve near neutral pressure within the house. If you suspect persistent imbalance, tune dampers and verify external wind and stack effects are not driving uncontrolled flows. Plan for seasonal adjustments by using the unit bypass or frost control strategies per manufacturer instructions so you do not unintentionally ventilate in the wrong direction during extreme cold or hot spells. And provide occupants with simple controls and clear labeling so they can override fan boost for cooking or showering without disabling continuous ventilation. Common mistakes include selecting an undersized unit and then running it at high fan speeds, which increases noise and energy use. Remedy that by recalculating needs and choosing a properly rated model, and by preferring 2-speed or variable speed fans for quiet, continuous operation. Another frequent issue is poor duct integration that causes short-circuiting of intake to exhaust or creates pressure differences. Fix that by connecting to the central return plenum, avoiding long uninsulated runs to outside walls, and balancing flows at commissioning. A third concern is using inadequate filtration or forgetting maintenance, which reduces performance and fouls the heat exchange core, so specify appropriate MERV filters, install easy access filter frames, and set a maintenance schedule visible to occupants. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners find local contractors who list ventilation and whole house mechanical services, so we make it easier to connect with professionals experienced in ERV and HRV installations. We also help contractors find work and participate in our discussion community where members exchange installation tips and troubleshooting experience.